What is up, everybody? It is the Carman back here again. Fireworks 2025 for 4th of July. There's one over here. Like, comment, aka the Carman 1 and the Carman 2. Check this out, guys. Happy 4th of July. It's a better one than Sunday. For both channels. That is an awesome display right there. Oh, there was one over there. Oh, well, they're close enough anyway. Yeah, people just waste their hard-earned money on this. People are just wasting their well-earned money on buying fireworks for the 4th of July. Dang, I missed that one. Oh, I got that one. That was good. At least I got that one. That was fine by me there. I'll be put this quick video here. Alright, see you.